Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows up to date and drivers current so the headset behaves predictably. Plug the HyperX Cloud Alpha into USB or 3.5mm jack. Use the adapter if needed, because initial detection depends on the correct physical connection. Once connected, make sure Windows lists the device under Sound Settings. Open Device Manager to verify no yellow flags. If software is not installed yet, run the HyperX installer now so the device driver and firmware tools are available for the next steps. Once drivers are active, go to Windows Sound Settings and set HyperX as both default playback and recording devices so apps use it automatically. Then open Properties Advanced and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz according to your app. This prevents stuttering and sync issues. Next, launch HyperX software to calibrate equalizer presets, virtual surround, and mic gain. These control clarity and perceived loudness. Make smaller incremental changes and test with voice memos. To finish, validate the setup across the apps you use. Set device in Steam, Discord, and your browser to avoid app-specific overrides. If firmware updates exist, run them and reboot the PC so changes fully apply. For a quick troubleshooting tip, if audio or mic fails, swap USB ports or use the analog 3.5mm path to isolate the issue. Reinstall USB audio drivers if the device still isn't detected. If problems persist, note behavior and replicate on another PC to narrow down hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.